Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about what is boxing and unboxing. So in the previous video we have learned about the array list, and in the first video we have learned about the array. Now to learn the same video in the Hindi, link is in the video description. So you know that when I hover my cursor on the add method, you can see that it shows me the object as a value. That means that in the array list, you are allowed to add the value as a string or integer or boolean, anything. That means that object type. Now let's just create another variable. Let's say x is equal to 10. Then, sorry, let me create the x as an integer. Over here I'm going to create object and vxyz. So y is equal to, I'm going to assign the value of the x to variable now y. So the basic definition of a boxing is that converting your value type to the reference type. This is the boxing. Now, in the next line, let's say I have another variable z and I'm interested to assign the value of a y. Now, this gives me an error regarding the cannot implicitly convert object to the integer. So, for that, we need to do that typecasting issue is occurred. So, we need to manually write the code, something like this. Now, this is termed as unboxing. So, what is unboxing? To converting your reference type value into the value type. So from the reference type to the value type is termed as a unboxing. Now the boxing to the jumping between the box from the integer type, that means the value type, then the reference type. So this is termed as generating the performance issue, right? We have already learned about the value type. In the video description I have already specified detailed descriptions, both of them, for what is value type and what is the reference type. Both of the videos is individually gets generated, and it is already in the playlist if you are interested. Before going further for this boxing and unboxing video, in this video further, I urge you that please watch first watch the value type and then learn about the reference type video. So the one of the disadvantage is performance is the main issue regarding the boxing unboxing. That means that from moving from the stack to stack to the heap, I'm sorry, I use the queue word. So moving from a stack to heap and then from heap to stack, this is lead the performance issue. This is regarding the performance of one boxing and unboxing. So to solve this issue, boxing unboxing or moving from stack to heap or heap to stack, we have a new concept, that is the generics. So in the next video we are going to learn about basic definition of a generics, and then we learn about the eye collection, the interfaces of the generics. So I urge you that first watch the video regarding what is array, then array list, then the third video will be on the value, fourth video will be on the reference type, then fifth video will be on the boxing unboxing, and then watch the video regarding the generics. So I hope you like this video. In the next video we are going to cover about the basic definition of a generics. So thank you very much and keep watching. Bye bye.